Alright, welcome to Red School Galaxy. You're hanging out with your man T-Max, and in this video I'll be showing you how to join this Huobi $500,000 giveaway happening right now. They're celebrating the BTC Pizza Day. So basically all you need to do is just to collect these cards and create and generate this pizza with these cards you generate. So you can see I've collected several cards. You can see I have seasoning 15 cards, I have meat 8 cards here, I have veggies, so I need more. I think I need cheese here to complete generate another pizza. You see I've generated 5 pizza. So the more pizzas you generate, you get to share more of the $500,000 giveaway pool happening here. So basically how do you get started? You just need to have a Huobi account. So the link below, if you don't have a Huobi account, the link should be able to help you set up a Huobi account. It's really stress-free. So once you have a Huobi account, you would log into your account either through your mobile device or your PC. You should be able to land on this page here, and once you land on this page, I actually created a guide here. It's an article. I actually gave guides telling you basically how to get started. All the links are in this guide, so I will drop a link to the article, or you might see this link, and this is the link to the article right here. So let's just get started with this. So right now you see here there are a couple of things you need to do to generate these cards or to get access to these cards. So sometimes you would one of the ways I've used is trading. You see I've traded over $1,600 of hasty today, and this has been able to generate me a couple of cards. Okay, so if I come down here, okay, right here you see I have crystals. Because I was trading, I had crystals. I now have 118 crystals, and you need 10 crystals to generate 1 card. So if I click exchange, it's telling me I can get 11 cards. So if I just click exchange like this, and here I go, I even got 2 cheese. Okay, so this is powerful. You see now I can actually generate 2 pizzas right now, you see, because I have 2 cheese, 2 flour, and I have more of veggie, seasoning, and meat. So I can generate more pizzas and get to partake more of this $500,000 prize pool happening here during this event. So there are other ways to generate cards. Other ways to generate cards is just to perform these stacks here, like trade this currency BTC, trade HT, trade LTC, trade ARB, trade all these currencies here, and you will get to get more cards. And there's this what they call BTC shirts. All you need to do is visit all these pages. For instance, if you visit this page, you would see some shirts or BTC shirts floating around the page. You just get to click them, and that's all you need to do, and you will get you can convert those shirts to BTC cards also. So let me see if that would actually pop up on this page. I've collected them today. I'm not sure it will pop up again. I don't think it will pop up again because I've collected them today. So and you see, one good thing about trading is they actually you get to enjoy other benefits of trading. Like, because I traded, now I have access to some benefits, and if I trade up to $1,105, I'll be able to unlock all these boxes, and the boxes actually give me access to see now these boxes are unlocked, give me 30,000 BTT, that is BitTorrent. If I click OK, you see I've opened that box. If I click this box again, wow, this box gave me access to their Prime 3 trial membership. So basically I can just keep opening these boxes and I'll get access to more gifts. If I open this other box, let's see what I get there. Wow, this box gave me more cards. Can you see that? So right now just click and that you can see it's very easy to get these cards, and the moment you get these cards you can actually come here and you can see here my cards. Let me just refresh this page. Okay, so let me see. Okay, now I have 18 veggie, and right now I can generate around 2 pizzas right now. So I can just click generate the pizza. It just goes around and generates the pizza. Okay, you can see that, and he also gave me a badge. That is how it works. I can generate another pizza like that. He gave me a badge, and he also gave me a token. Okay, so got it. So all I need to do is just wait for this ongoing event. This is round 1. After this round, we'll go to round 2, round 3, and I think it's up to round 7. And this round will be ending in 7 hours. So if you're missing out in this round, you could join this next round and just keep gathering and collecting cards and creating pizzas with these cards to partake in this $500,000 price pool right here. So that should be it right now about this video. Thank you for hanging out, and see you in the next video. Bye.